Thank you so much for watching. Until
Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra and this is Market Today, a show where we talk about the latest business trends and the stock market updates as well. Also help you understand which are the sectors and the stocks that are in focus right now and what should be the right strategy that you should adopt in the stock markets currently. Let's keep a look at how the markets are doing at this point in time. Well, the Nifty right now is seeing some profit booking after those 3 days of continuous run on the upside. 0.3% downtick, 18,082 as the current level for the Nifty. The Sensex also trading just below 60,900 levels with 220 points of a decline right there. So some profit booking on the benchmark indices is what you can see. On the Nifty gainers front, you do have some of the names from the metals pack like Hindalco, that's jumping 2.2% odd. Sun Pharma, definitely a 52-week high kind of levels is what you're able to see. Then ONGC, also another stock that you can actually see on the upside right here. Coal India, ITC, Divis Laboratories, all of those also right here, uptick of 1% is what you can really see. But on the downside, you do have some more names that are not performing in the trade in today's trading session. When you talk about the Nifty losers, you will be able to see a whole host of other names like Bharti Airtel, which is again seeing some profit booking taking place, 2.8% downtick. Apollo Hospitals, also Maruti Suzuki down by over 2% odd as well. So some profits being taken off the table. Auto stocks are dragging a bit. Eicher Motors also down by 2% odd. Titan, Nestle, the other losers on the Nifty pack right here. Let's welcome today's guest to really understand, how should you approach markets right now. Joining in with me is Mr. Chandan Taparia from Motilal Oswal Financial Services. He's the expert at technicals and derivatives. Thank you so much, Mr. Taparia, for taking the time out and joining us for this discussion. Well, the markets are seeing some profit booking taking place right after those 3 days of consecutive move on the upside. How are you looking at the markets right now?
Hello, Sakshi. Thanks for having me. We have seen good run up in the market before the festival, and really the index has done a good job. It rallied from all the way to 16,740 to now near to 18,200 marks. So after the strong run up of more than 1,000 points, market is finding some sort of consolidation at high levels. However, the major trend is positive, but now the index is, or the market is looking for FOMC meet and upcoming RBI meeting. So because of that, it is shy to start the next leg of rally. But I believe that overall trend setup is positive even after some decline from higher levels. Today, it is forming a bearish candle after hitting the high near to 18,178. But we believe till it holds above 18,000, any decline could be bought for an upside move towards 18,250 to 18,350 level. So we will continue to be with buy on decline strategy given the price structure, but one need to keep the position light as we are heading towards Fed meeting and RBI policy in next couple of days. Now, if I add some more data facts here, your India VIX is up by around 2% today, back to 16.5. But overall, in last 5 weeks, we have seen sharp cut in the India VIX. Your wallet index has corrected from 23 to nearby 15 level. So decline in the volatility from higher levels clearly indicates that major trend is positive and bulls are likely to hold the grip. So 18,000 I'll use as a major support to continue the bullish stance in the market with buy on decline stance.
Okay, understood that. Also, when we talk about some of the buzzing stocks in trade, there are some pharma stocks that are buzzing in trade. But what's taking my attention is the cigarette manufacturers like ITC and Godfrey Philips. Both these stocks are hovering near 52-week high levels. What a run-up have we seen on ITC, especially this year. It has really outperformed the markets by a wide margin. And Godfrey Philips also in the last 1 month or so has seen a very, very sharp up move. In fact, in the last 12 months or so, it's up by almost 40-odd%, 55% jump on ITC as well. So most of the investors right now are wondering which is the better pick if one really has to go for that cigarette manufacturing exposure or FMCG exposure in their portfolio. So I want to understand from you, how are you looking at these two stocks, particularly the move that we have seen on them so far, and what do we expect going forward from here?
Yes, Sakshi. First, talk about Godfrey Philips. So Godfrey Philips has given a consolidation breakout over here. In 2015, it made the high of 1662. And in this year, it's up by around 41%, and again hitting to a 1600 plus level. So I think if it moves by 3 to 5%, then it will open the upside more 15 to 25% further by giving the consolidation breakout of last 7-8 years. If I look at the lower time frame, even on the monthly chart, it has given a consolidation breakout. Even on the weekly chart, it has given a breakouts, and in daily chart, it is making high rise, high lows. So in all the time frame, the price structure has given a consolidation breakout. However, liquidity is slightly lower, but we believe that major trend is positive. Any decline could be bored. We have major support near to 1520 and potential for an up move to us 1662 and 2000 kind of level. Now, if I talk about ITC,
Yeah.
it is also doing well. One of the strongest counter rallied by 62%. It outperformed the Godfrey Philips. In 2017, ITC made the lifetime high of 367, and we are just 10 rupees away from the same. So I believe that this new lifetime high is in place, and even ITC has potential to head towards 375 to 400 zone. So we'll suggest to buy ITC with support near to 343. On immediate basis, we are looking for 370, and positional basis, we are looking 400 kind of level in ITC. So we have positive on both, but expecting more strength and outperformance to continue in ITC going forward.
Okay, so both the stocks could continue to do well going forward from here, but if you have to take a pick, then Chandan's recommendation goes with ITC, where stronger returns can be expected going forward. Also, some of the pharma majors where I wanted to take your view, the markets are quite mixed, but this sector is definitely outperforming today, and as was doing it yesterday as well. Now, one counter, Sun Pharma is definitely in focus. We've seen, results, and post that also the momentum continues to be on the upside. After a long haul of consolidation, finally the stock is moving higher and seeing some newer levels as well. Your thoughts here on Sun Pharma?
Yeah, Sun Pharma is one of the strongest counter, and we have seen good run up in last 3 years. Even in this year, it's up by around 25% YTD basis. In 2015, it made a high near to 1200, and we believe that slow and steady, it has potential to head towards the new high territory by moving by around 15% over the next 1 month, 2 months. If I look at the price structure, it was earlier finding hurdle near to 960, 980 zone. It has given a breakout and making high rise, high lows from last 3-4 trading session. We are recommending the same from last few days, and still we believe that one can continue to be with trailing stop loss of 1030, and we have target to us 1100 to 1120 kind of level in Sun Pharma on trading point of view, and then positionally we are looking for 1200 marks.
Okay, understood that. And from your own recommendations basket, which are the stocks on your radar which investors can follow?
Yeah, so first, overall we have bullish bias in the index. However, because of the Fed and RBI policy, some volatility could be seen, but that volatility should be utilized as a buying opportunity. If I look at the stock wise, we have positive on the selective shipping and defense name. So Cochin Shipyard, Mazagon Dock are two names where we are quite bullish and still expecting momentum to drive the segment. So Cochin Shipyard is one stock where we are recommending to buy with stop loss of 555. We had target of 590 level. Second trading idea, that is buy on ITC already, that is in buzzing, and you asked the question on the same. So we will continue to recommend ITC with a stop loss of 343, and here we have a target of 370. So defense, CPRs in coaching CPR, and in FMCG or cigarette, will focus on ITC as a preferred pick at current juncture.
Okay, understood that. Well, thank you so much, Chandan, for being with us and sharing all the insights on markets and also your recommendations for all our viewers. Hope you have a great trading day ahead. Let's now quickly look at how the markets are trading at this point in time. Still holding on to that 18,000 mark for the Nifty right now, but the Sensex has definitely slipped below that 61,000 level, down by 193 odd points. So there is a slight profit booking that you can see, but definitely Chandan believes that the momentum would continue to be on the upside going forward from here. So the strategies should be on the positive side itself. Thank you so much for being with us on this show, but a lot of market updates and business news will continue to be seen on your screens as well. So do stay tuned on to Business Today TV.